Good morning.
Good morning.
It is bright and early, and we are at BARKER'S National Park. So if there's a national park anywhere, you know we're gonna find it.
Big facts.
It's kind of our shit.
And it's free.
Yeah.
So this little number,
staying
the same.
Put it in my hand right there. But yeah, so we're in this really beautiful national park so far. There's not very many people here this early at least, and seems like there's a bunch of little parks that are all private beaches. So we're gonna go and explore a little bit and walk around.
It looks beautiful. I can see it from our car right now. I'm really itching to get out there.
Although I believe our souls are saved, we have managed to find ourselves in hell.
Dun dun dun.
Oh shit. We are up to 7 Mile Beach, which technically should be called 5.5 Mile Beach.
I'm so confused why they call it 7.
7, maybe something religious, because the weather's very Christian. Maybe they just wanted the number 7 instead of 5.5. Anyways, I digress. 7 Mile Beach in Grand Cayman is actually one of the most expensive beaches anywhere.
And all the beaches on 7 Mile Beach are technically private.
So in the Cayman, like to access the beach, you have to pay or stay at a resort, but that's not really true. That's just what they try to get you to do. They try to tourist trap you. There's a lot of different beach access points where you walk down the alleyway, which you'll probably see, and it's like public beach access. You get right to the front, and you get to the beach for free.
They hide them. They really try to make sure that like you have to pay $400 or $500 a night to get access to this beautiful beach. But hell no, Nomadic Weekenders ain't about that shit.
And especially with this money tracker here, we've already spent this much.
We go for free, baby.
We're about to do 7 Mile Beach for free. 5.5 Mile Beach.
5.5 Mile Beach, asterisk. Miss me, I got kiss me. Oh man, I almost got caught. All right, babe, thoughts on 7 Mile Beach so far?
I understand why it's one of the most expensive beaches, because it's definitely one of the most beautiful beaches if not, it's the most beautiful beach we've ever seen. Hawaii, Belize, Costa Rica, we've been to
Mexico.
a lot of really dope beaches, but
I think this has to take the cake.
the watercolor, it's unreal. It's really pretty, it's breathtaking.
Life is good.
Life, I don't know what to say. Life is good. So our breakfast that we had cost about 28 bucks. Now what are we doing?
Now we are looking for some art to take back with us. It's one of our favorite things to do is to get local art to hang on our art wall at home. So we're on the hunt.
Hopefully as cheap as possible.
Hopefully it's cheap. Let's check it out.
Stoked. Just picked up a nice piece from a local artist. Only cost us 27 Caymanian dollars.
Not too shabby.
And he gave us a little discount. So we're good.
Can't wait to hang it up when we get home.
So this is where we're at so far. Last thing we have to do or buy is gasoline to fill up the car, and then we'll have our total of how much it really costs to hang out in the Cayman Islands.
I'm sweating.
So we're standing here at Flip Flop Tree. It's like the gate in Paris where people hammer in their flip flops to the tree, write a little note on it. It's one of the free sites that you could do here in the Cayman Islands, and of course, since we're trying to save as much money as possible, we had to take advantage of this. It's pretty cool, actually. We paid $18 to fill up our car with gas for the trip. Tipped him $2. So our grand total for the trip to the Caymans is
That number.
I don't know, I haven't been counting, so
This number's right here.
the number's over there still.
We're awful.